Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today I got for you an unboxing of the Pixel Buds, the new Pixel Buds from Google. Yeah, I really want to get these as soon as I heard about them. So I went ahead and purchased them as soon as they were available to purchase, and they just came in today. Literally today I got home from work, and I'm going to unbox this for you guys. I'm going to talk a little bit while I'm doing this. I'm going to do a setup and an unboxing. So sorry for not having any videos lately on the channel. I've been really busy in my personal life, doing projects in my personal life, and I only do YouTube for fun and whatever I'm interested in. Like if you've seen in my other videos, you know that to be the case. But yeah, so, and of course with everything that's going on around in our country, you know, so I don't have the time. But I'm going to be updating you guys with some more videos here soon. I did another Switch dock project that I finished up months ago, but I got to edit that one, put it together. But here's the new, let's get into focus, the new case for the Pixel Buds right here. Really nice, really tiny. I mean, compared to my thumb, it's very tiny, very small as far as they go. Let's see if we can take this apart. How do you take this apart? And then we have here, oh, I should open my phone because I believe they're supposed to pair. Oh, there it is. Connecting. Tap to finish setup. This is the 4XL. I got this phone a couple weeks ago on a sale. It was like $600 on sale, so got the whole setup now. Let's see, start setup. I accept. Try on your earbuds. We're gonna try this one out. Okay. I'm gonna try on the other one too. Okay, very comfortable so far. If I sound a little louder, it's because I have them in my ear. They plugged it up, so speaking a little louder, but sounds very good. Also, they have different tips. I saw that in somebody else's review. So they have these different tips here for different size ears, but the ones that it came with so far feel good. I might play around with the slightly larger ones. Maybe that might fit even better. But yeah, they come with the extra ones. Let's keep going here. Raising volume. I'm going to go through all these setup points here. This is asking me to do the voice match. I've done this a couple times before. My whole house is a smart house, so let's see if it still has me or I have to do it all over again. Okay. What can you do? What can you do? Alright, so they come fully charged as well. So far, feels great. I love the quality. Something that you don't really see too much or people talk about too much is the quality that Google has I love their finish, almost like iPhone. It's the same kind of like simplistic, cutting edge quality that I like. So some people beg to differ or whatnot, but I like it. So I'm gonna give this a try for a little bit and come back to you guys with a little bit of a review of how it goes. Oh wow. That's cool.